I want to say good morning. I'm here live at Vivix Credit Solutions, and I feel like it's a great program. It's helped me out immaculately. I get great results. My credit scores have went up, and I think from here on out, life will be a lot better. Oh, most definitely. Some things, are worth it. Some things aren't. I suggest that anyone that's credit's not doing so well come here. It is affordable. They work with you. They're great people here, and I think you'll be happy by the time you leave and by the time the whole program is over with.